In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate an employment verification letter on Gusto. To get started, sign in to your Gusto administrator account. Make sure you're using an account with the right permissions, since access to employee records and documents may be limited depending on your role. Once you're logged in, head to the People section and select the employee you need. This will open that employee's profile where you can manage their records and paperwork. From the Employee Profile menu, click on Documents. This is where Gusto stores files related to that employee, so it's the right place to create and upload an employment verification letter. Next, select Add Document to begin adding a new file to the employee's record. When prompted, enter a document name. In this case, type Employment Verification Letter so the file is clearly labeled and easy to find later. Using a clear name like this helps keep records organized, especially if you manage documents for multiple employees. After naming the file, prepare the verification letter. This document should include the employee's employment details, such as the information required for verification purposes. Before moving on, take a moment to review the letter for accuracy and completeness, since this document may be used for official requests like housing, lending, or background verification. Once the letter is ready, click Upload and choose the employment verification letter file from your device. Be sure you're selecting the correct version of the file, especially if you've made recent edits. After the upload is complete, click Save to add the document to the employee's record in Gusto. Now that the document has been saved, locate the uploaded letter in the employee's documents list. You should see it listed under the name you entered earlier. Open the document to review its contents and confirm that the upload worked properly. This quick check can help you catch formatting issues or accidental file mix-ups before the letter is shared. If everything looks good, download the employment verification letter if needed. Downloading it gives you a copy you can send, print, or store according to your workflow. The final step is to share the letter with the employee or the requesting organization, depending on why the verification was requested. And that's it. That's how to generate an employment verification letter on Gusto. From accessing the employee profile to uploading, reviewing, downloading, and sharing the final document. Thanks for watching.